Hi there, welcome inside. We're in the Mytheresa Flamingo Estate Holiday House in Los Angeles. We built a life-size replica of Flamingo Estate, my home, out of gingerbread, full of lots of products from Mytheresa and from us, stuff we make here, also from gingerbread. Come inside and have a look. So here we are in the living room, my favorite sofa that I've spent many years on, right here in the fireplace and the chairs. And let's go to the kitchen, I'm really hungry. Everybody wants to come to Flamingo. People ask us every day if they can come over and visit the house. So I thought, wouldn't it be crazy if we could build the whole thing from gingerbread? Everything here is basically the same as Flamingo, except this room. This is the Mytheresa Dream Closet. One of the reasons we love Mytheresa is because, just like Flamingo, they love quality and craftsmanship and art and design. It's nice that that now happens in the wardrobe as well. We have it in the rest of the house, but now in our Dream Closet especially, we have all the things from the people that we love. One of the craziest things about this idea was that we have no real product in the gingerbread house. All of the product here, the curation that has been made is all from gingerbread, but you can shop it on a QR code, so pop your phone up here if you want the Gucci dress or the Dolce & Gabbana dress or the Baluti suit that I'm wearing. It's all here somewhere in the house. So I would love you to come and join us at our new version of our home. Come on over.